So you going to Brazil to get the butt lift?
No, that's the name of the procedure, BBL.
Ah.
We can get it here in America, but I guess it's cheaper when you go overseas. You can go to Mexico.
Ah.
A lot of people go to Mexico because I guess it's cheaper there.
Ah.
But I'm not gonna go the cheap route. I'm gonna do it here.
Ah.
So what do you think? I'm gonna get like 2 inches or 3 inches bigger.
Yeah, I don't think that would be a good idea for you, girl.
Why?
Yeah, man.
Why?
You get the butt lift, man.
I would look sexier and more attractive.
You want more butt, huh? You want to fight with more, huh?
Just a little more.
You want to fight with more. This girl want to fight with more butt, huh?
A little more.
You want your bum to?
I look more sexy.
You want
and more attractive.
More attractive. You're already attractive. I love you just the way you are. Oh, girl. I love you just the way you are.
I wasn't ready for this. I wasn't prepared.
Yeah. Yeah. Rasta job, boy.